In this video, we are going to find the solution for the game by using the algebraic method. Now, the question given is to obtain the solution for the following game by using algebraic method. Here, two players are given, player A and player B, and they are having, each player is having two strategy, and the values are 3, 1, 2, 4. Now I have rewritten this table in the format of player A and player B, but here the strategy name was not given, so I have given for player A strategy name was x1 x2, and for player B strategy name I had given, that is y1 and y2. Now in algebraic method, what we do exactly, our final game value is always 1, that is total sum of probability, and in algebraic method we try to write the equations and we solve the equations to get the solution. So in this example, how many number of equations we will have? So we will have total number of equation as summation of total number of players plus total number of rows and rows into columns we have in the given table. So here, according to this formula, so we will write how many equations we will have. So total number of players in this examples are player A, player B, so 2, plus rows are 2 and columns are 2, so this will be 2 into 2, so this will be total number of equations we will have 6. So 2 equations we will write. So we will write the equations. Step 1 in this algebraic method is to write equation. We will write the equations. Now here, first two equations are always for the each players. For player A, as we have assumed the strategy is x1, x2, so we will write summation of all strategies of player 1 will be 1. That is the probability of that player. So this is for player 1, player A. Now the next equation for player B, total strategies are 2. So we have given the name as y1 plus y2. Total probability is 1. So this is player B equation. Now we have written only 2 equations. We have to write remaining 4 equations. So for remaining 4 equations, we will write the equation is in the form of a game value. So always when we write the equation, this column entries are greater than game values and row entries are less than game values. So we will complete this value. So we will consider this row. This row is having element 3 and 1, and x1 is constant. So we will write this in the format of y1 and y2. So 3y1 plus y2. This is less than equal to v. That is game value. Rows are less than equal to game value, and columns are greater than equal to game value. So we are writing in that way. Now for the second row, x2 is constant, so we have to write in the format of y1 and y2. So 2y1 plus 4y2 is less than equal to v. We have completed 2 rows. Now we have to find the remaining 2 equations by using column values. Now for this column, for this entire column, y1 is constant, so we will write the equation in the format of x1 and x2. So we will write the equation 3x1 plus 3x1 plus 2x2, which is greater than equal to v. And for this column, x1, 1 into x1, that is x1, plus 4 into x2, 4x2 greater than equal to v. Now for the further calculation, what we will do, we will assume this as equal to v. So we will write 3y1 plus y2 is equal to v. 2y1 plus 4y2 is equal to v. Now 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to v. And x1 plus 4x2 is equal to v. And also what we will do, we will label these equations. So this is my equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now second step in the algebraic method is to solve the equation means to find the coordinates x1, x2, y1, y2, what we are assumed. For solving the equations, what we will do, we'll consider first we will solve x1 and x2. We will consider all the equation in which we will have x1 and x2. In equation 1 and 5 and 6, we have x1 and x2. Now first we will just consider this equation, that is from equation 1. What we will get from equation 1, we are having x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. So we will assume x1 is equal to 1 minus x2. Now this value we will put in another equation. Now in equation 5 and 6, we will write x1 value and we will rewrite this equation 3 into 1 minus x2 plus 2x2 is equal to v. In the same way, x1 will be replaced with 1 minus x2 plus 4x2 is equal to v. We will solve this equation. Now this will be 3 minus 3x2 plus 2x2. This will give you 3 minus what will get 3 minus x2 is equal to v. And in the same way, it will be 1 minus x2 plus 4x2. So it will be 1 plus 3x2 is equal to v. Now here we are noticing that both the right hand side of these two equations are equal. So we will consider LHS of solved equation 5 and 6. Now that is 3 minus x2 is equal to 1 plus 3x2. This portion we will assume equal to, because they are equal to v. So we will solve this equation and what we will get, x2 will go here, it will become 4x2, 1 will go here, it will become 2. So 4x2 is equal to 2. So x2 will be 2 by 4. So it is equal to 1 by 2. As x1 plus x2 according to first equation is equal to 1, therefore x1 is equal to half. So for player A, what values we are getting? For player A, we are getting x1, x2 as 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. We have solved with x1 and x2. We will solve the value for y1 and y2. We will consider all the equations where we have y1 and y2. In equation 2, 3 and 4, we have y1 and y2. Now we will first assume just only this equation 2, y1 plus y2 equal to 1. Therefore we will assume y1 is equal to 1 minus y2, and we will put this value in equation 3 and 4. Now equation 3 and 4 will become, equation 3 will become 3 into y1. y1 will be replaced with 1 minus y2 plus y2 is equal to v. And equation 4 will become 2 into 1 minus y2 plus 4y2 is equal to v. So we will solve this. We will get this will be 3 minus 3y2 plus y2. So it will be 3 minus 2y2 is equal to v. And when we solve this equation, 2 minus 2y2 plus 4y2, so it will become 2 plus 2y2 is equal to v. So as right hand side of this is equal, so we will assume these values on both left hand side and right hand side. So we will conclude from this two, that is 3 minus 2y2 is equal to 2 plus 2y2. When we solve this, 2 will go here, it will become 4y2, 2 will come here, 3 minus 2, so it will become 3 minus 2 is equal to 2y2 plus 2y2. It will become 1 is equal to 4y2, therefore y2 will be 1 by 4. Yes, y2 will be 1 by 4. Therefore, what we are getting as we assumed y1 plus y2 is equal to 1, so we will write that y1 plus half 1/4 is equal to 1. Therefore, y1 will be 3/4. So the b point value of b we are getting is, that is y1 comma y2. So it will be 3/4 comma 1/4. So this is our final solution. We are getting the optimal solution for player A. The solution is 1/2 comma 1/2. For player B, solution is 3/4 comma 1/4, and the game value is summation of all the probability, that is always 1. So this is our final answer. Thank you.